Hello and welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. For that, simply what you can do is firstly go to the settings on your device, and when you scroll down, here you'll be able to see the privacy beneath the password and security option. Tap on privacy. This will let you access to the privacy settings on your device. You'll be able to see microphone access. So when this is off, all apps and services will not be able to use the microphone. Turn on this microphone access. So this was the first step. If this solution resolves your problem, then you don't need to go on the second step. But if this solution does not work for you, then what you can do is simply go to the settings again, and when you scroll down here you'll be able to see the apps option. Tap on that and now tap on app management. This will let you in on the app management page, where you can either scroll down and find out Snapchat, or if this is time taking, then you will be able to see the search bar on the top of the screen. Tap on that and now search Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat and you'll be able to be entered on the app info page of Snapchat, where you need to tap on the permission option. Tap on that and now make sure to allow all the apps permission here. If your microphone permission is not allowed in this Snapchat, then there might be the problem of microphone not working on Snapchat. Make sure to allow the microphone permission on the Snapchat. Come back again, and by doing so your problem will be easily resolved on the Snapchat. I hope this video was useful for you. If the solution worked for you, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for the more tutorial videos on our channel. Thank you.